Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this aluminum tray with the BullSnot AlumABull aluminum wheel cleaner and polish to reveal a mirror shine. What's really interesting about the AlumABull is that you just spray it directly on the aluminum surface, then you just rub it in with the Scott Blue shop towel until it's as dark as possible. Then I'm going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. BullSnot AlumABull is made to clean and polish aluminum while helping remove oxidation, tarnish, and surface grime. It uses a non-abrasive, non-corrosive formula and also helps leave behind a protective layer to keep the aluminum looking bright longer. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.